What's up, everybody? My name is Super Alfredo 64, and sorry, but the reverb from my mic is kind of disturbing me. But anyways, so in the last part, we were able to get the key. We spared Gracie, what's her name, and we explored a bit, you guys with me. But I've fully done my exploration. I spent all the Eve dye needed for upgrading myself, and also I found one more weapon station. Look at my shotgun. It got six bullets. This thing's like a big old revolver, and I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I hope I can become a shotgun expert more. I gotta use the shotgun. Anyways, yeah, so I fully explored the whole area and saved the last little sister as well. Took on the big sister as well, because apparently once you rescue all the little sisters in the area, that's when the big sister will like come out. And honestly, I had a much easier time taking her on, because what I did was I put myself near a location with...
Hear me, O ye who would murder the Lamb of God! Ye shall never reach her God!
What? Is that a torpedo? And it knocked me out.
Kid, come on, wake up now.
I'm awake.
There you are. I thought you rode that torpedo into the great hereafter. I'm in Dionysus Park now. Train cars are shambles, leaking air. Whole damn place is flooded and sealed. But there's a pumping station back there on Siren Alley, and I believe you could jerry-rig it to drain the park out. That'd let you stroll right inside. Get to those pumps, and hurry.
You got it. Hey, look, a fellow Big Daddy. This area. Whoa! There's 3 little sisters?
I see Father Wales has parted you from your craft, and yet you cling to life. Congratulations. Today, Delta, you meet a man who has no fear of death. And for Eleanor, he would burn with a smile.
Okay. Wait, is this the way in? This looks like the way in. But am I supposed to do something in here? Around here, I mean. But anyways. Okay, this time, this area has like 3 little sisters. Okay, I want to also fully explore this area too. Okay. Right there.
The park is sealed, Chief. You aren't getting in there just yet. But if you get down to that pumping station in Siren Alley and drain the place out, this airlock will let you in.
Gotcha. Okay. I can't carry those trap rivets. Interesting that we can't interact with the ZMs. Like, I would absolutely like to drill that shark apart, get some sashimi. Shush phone. I am focusing on gaming. Now, let's see. Let's go on. Okay, so anyways, finishing my thought. Yeah, so got a lot of stuff from the last episode, from the last area after I cut off the video and everything.
Look at this rusty piece of crap! Show 'em what we got, boy.
Bring you home, is it true?
Okay, it's not gonna go after me, right? Just because I was in the same area? Like, I was just a passenger by. I am gonna say that. Okay.
Mr. Bubbles, come on!
Should I move on from here, or should I not? Nah, I'll move on for now.
The beast of Ryan lives! Gather the family!
Spider's closer.
Mother of mercy, I think that was Simon Wales. What's he done to himself? He and his brother were Rapture's architects, but when Doc Lamb came along, Simon got religion. He's got a kind of church down in the pumping station. Expect a reckoning when you arrive.
Gotcha. Gatherer's Garden. Okay. Ah, so this is where I can get, like, more plasmid. Winter Blast 2, Hypnotize 2. Can I use the Hypnotize on the Big Daddies out of curiosity? Because I will really, really need their help.
I think Mother knows I'm helping you like this. She's accelerating my treatments. Don't give up on me.
Sorry, Mamas. I will never give up on you. Take control of Rapture Security with Security Command. Enemy security, your own friendly bots, turrets will follow the blue ball and attack attack with deadly force. Interesting. Okay, but I'm gonna store you in the Genie Bank for now. Okay, I don't need more Eve right now. But oops. Anyways. What the heck? Oh, jeez. That was a little close. Too close for comfort for me. There we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Woo. I like to see you keep calling me a hack after this. Leadhead Splicer. Increased damage. Nice. All right, guys. We're getting to places. Oh, I got hurt badly. Oh gosh, dang it! Okay, pick that up, and you know what? We'll heal myself up for $9. I got a lot of money. That's actually another good thing. I was able to get a lot of money thanks to the last part too. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, that. There we go. I'm looking for this one. Not the auto hack one, the remote one. Something tells me that wasn't successful. There we go. And I can pick up the ones that drop. That's awesome. Okay, this place would honestly, okay, get a key code. Could I just hack it? Make a Genie Bank.
Looks like the good father's kept up with the code locks. Time was, only way to join with Doc Lamb was to beg an audience with him first. Must be some side of that number lying around. See if you can find us a lead.
You got it, dude. First things first. Out of Hector, heck yeah. Honestly, that's the one thing I need the most right now. Hack darts. There we go. Let's see. Here's something sparkling. Nah, I can figure this out. I figured this out. No, hang on. I can't use it. Okay. Oh, hello.
Daniel, you and I drafted Rapture's blueprint together. Wales and Wales, architects. Do you remember? But Andrew Ryan led us astray, my brother. Turned us from the Almighty. Dr. Lamb offers you salvation, Daniel. I ask only for proof that the barest flicker of faith remains in you. I left a gift for you at the Pink Pearl, in your offices. Find the code on it, brother. We shall pray together for your sorry soul.
Alright, so towards the Pink Pearl. We go. And once we get to the Pink Pearl, that sounds like a very exotic name, though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It sounds like where the sounds like the kind of place that sailors would gather around.
Someone there?
Oh. Oh, jeez.
Don't move!
Ooh. Oh, jeez. I can't deal with it. Can you piss off?
Gotta stop myself.
Okay.
I've got the maddening notion that I owe you my life, stranger. Such as it is. I'm sending you a care package to the pneumo along the way. I'd appreciate it if you didn't tell Dr. Lamb.
My lips are sealed, sister. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I wasn't trying to get between you or the little sister. I was just wanting to go around. I love this shotgun, man. So useful. There we go. Thesaurus bugs. What does that do? These like incinerate ones? We'll figure out. Oh jeez! Frickin' hell. Okay, I was a little afraid that I didn't hack that correctly. Don't need that. Definitely need more health kits, so I'll just buy all that. Let's see. Small amount of Eve. Just buy myself one of those, and I can just. And there goes all the money that I spent. What did the Philosopher's box do? Very curious about that. Okay. Oh, I can loot the. Wait, did I already loot this? Yeah, I already looted this one cart. Anti-personnel. Okay. Relax, Mr. B. I'm just trying to walk on by. I'm not planning. Go on with your little sister. Yeah, go on, Mr. B. Go and take. Oh. Spear ammo. Spear gun? What the heck is this? I don't know what the heck this is, but this looks cool. Oh. I know it's ominous, but cool.
Hey, handsome. You see anything you like?
Well, hello there. How much?
20 bills and I'm all yours, sailor.
Oh, great. $20 for anything I want, right?
Fine by me, sugar.
Yo, this thing's can one-shot them.
The Pearl was among the richest lodgings in Rapture. But during the war, the residents put themselves up for sale. Daniel's office is on the top floor, I believe.
Gotcha. And we'll do more. We'll see more of that in the next part, guys. Yep, this is gonna be the end of the episode. So, guys, thank you everyone so much for watching. Guys, like the video, want to do, hit the thumbs up button, share the video. So, guys, please share this to help my channel grow. And also, it's gonna get my videos out there. So, please share the video. Also, guys, if you guys want to share your thoughts on the video, go ahead and comment down in the comment section down below. Once you guys do all that, and you guys like my content, and you guys want to see more, hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget that lovely little bell to receive all notifications. I am Paul for 64. This has been Bioshock. Peace out, and God bless you all.